Presenting the 2006 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.